So basically, our case study is L'Oreal Sustainability Challenge. Nowadays, environmental, health, and social concern are of utmost importance. People want brands that they can trust and are transparent with a commitment of being better. So Garnier aims to develop more sustainable beauty and to catalyze a change in the beauty industry. In 2020, Garnier conducted a survey with hashtag One Green Step. The survey revealed that in India, 91% of consumers want to live a sustainable life. Not only 4% are able to do so. The biggest reason behind this gap is desire versus action. Consumers don't know what their first step should be. So, as a brand management team, we're going to present our solution and steps to be taken under hashtag One Green Step.
So here we are trying to attain the goal to move towards a more sustainable future. So what are the sub goals are there for Garnier? First is refill revolution and beauty recycling rewards. So as we know that Garnier uh, Garnier packs its products in very different uh, s- containers. For example, for shampoo, it uses a bottle. So we can encourage customers to tell them that after they have used their uh, Garnier product, they can come and deposit their containers and bottles to the nearby places, and we can the Garnier can reuse these uh, containers in a more efficient way. We can also encourage uh, consumers by giving something free or some shampoo sachet in return for depositing this used bottles and containers. So this step will take us to more sustainable future. The other thing is communication and community engagement. So we can spread awareness, we can educate and build a community around sustainable beauty products practices. For example, we could encourage and make people aware about how poisonous or uh, chemicals free products will help in nurturing their health, and also uh, will help them to go towards sustainable future. Another thing is biodegradable shampoo bottles with plant seeds. For example, if we buy a Garnier product, any Garnier product, we can offer a free seed to the customer. So we have planned to put 10 different seeds, 10 different variety of seeds in the with the products, and whoever collects all the 10 seeds and then uh, plants these seeds and takes a video of while planting these seeds and then upload it to the Garnier website. Then who does this? That customer will get a free hamper from the Garnier. So we will achieve two three goals here. A, making the uh, uh, environment more sustainable. We will be able to aware customers about the uses of planting a tree and why is going green so important. Also, we will also be able to market our products more better by encouraging people to try our new range of products. So the impact that it will make is it will improve our brand reputation. It will by uh, by it will tell the customers that how Garnier is not only taking care of its product, its customers, but also the future, also for the whole in society. It wants that we live in a better world than what we are. It increases consumer engagement, like people will be talking about Garnier's new uh, product, or it will we will also we uploading people will be uploading Garnier videos that we are planting seeds. It will be a challenge kind of. So this will obviously increase the customer engagement, and the main goal is the sustainability. We'll able to achieve that sustainability through recycled goods, through planting more trees, and three, to make customer aware about the sustainable beauty practices.
The one green step challenge of Garnier, we have seen that there are two major challenges in beauty industry. The first one being product packaging and the second one being consumer lack of consumer awareness and consumer trust in sustainable beauty products. So in the product packaging aspect of this design of this one green step challenge, we are proposing a solution of usage of sustainable biodegradable materials. So by this application of this component, what we are trying to do is we are about to reduce the 30% plastic waste and also reduce other waste by around 20%. The second one, which is the most important component of our solution that we are trying to propose in this one green step challenge as Garnier, is that we are going to empower the reforestation. That is, we are going to embed one plantable seed inside each of the products, beauty products that Garnier manufactures and sells. So the impact behind this drive would be increased deforestation in the form of 1 million trees annually that we can expect according to the units sold of the industry. So this is one of the most important and solution of reforestation. The coming to the second area of the one green step challenge is that we are seeing lack of consumer education and awareness, and we want to ingredient innovation. So the user awareness for this campaign, what we are trying to do is once the each user and plants the trees from our previous solution, what he can do is he can post the user generated content in the form of video and as well as posts. This can be seen as social media amplification where other people see and get aware. This can be also seen as customer awareness and education drive. So this can increase the 40% awareness of the products about their usage and their sustainable contribution to the environment. The last one is the green ingredients. We are promoting healthy and non-hazardous chemicals to be used in this product drive, highlighting our key sustainable ingredients in each of our advertisements as well as other promotional and sales campaign. What we can achieve is that we can see 24.5% increase in the consumer trust as well as 20% rise in product demand from our customers, which can increase the brand preference of the customers. So these are the four solutions and the four areas in which we would like to work in this solution as a challenge.
This slide, which is a concept of what our idea might look like. This shows how truly sustainable this idea could be. So let me explain. Like we can imagine this as a product, as a packaging, which when used, it transforms into a sapling and thereby actually eliminating the plastic and impact on our environment. So over time, this bottle transforms into sapling, and this shows that it symbolizes growth towards a sustainable idea. And we also have vision that like these people who are a consumer can share their progress, their saplings, types of sapling, different plants, and how they are actually contributing towards a change on social media. So that's one positive thing about this, and it becomes kind of a trend. So it will be a quite beneficial factor to us. Like then we can go on next slide. which is estimations. This is quite important because here we are trying to prove that how our strategies and our goals directly align with the numbers, because the numbers doesn't lie. So there are five central ideas like reducing plastic waste, then cost saving, increase loyalty, like brand reputation strengthening, and consumer engagement. How did we arrive at this? We use simple tops-down approach. We estimated how many households are there. For example, urban households would be targeted into the first phase. So around 4 million urban households are there in India who could participate in our program. Then, if we just consider even two products of Garnier into this household, it would directly result in 8 million bottles, which are directly reduced, like the plastic consumption is reduced into this in steps. Then again, a recycling program would ensure that around like 4.8 million plastic bottles are recycled in each year. Combining these within different segments, we arrived that overall plastic waste of 58 million would be reduced into the circulation, and cost estimations were that around $23 million per year on simple cost estimation. We arrived at this number. Then again, there would be increased loyalty from customers because once they find that this idea is convincing and they are willing to change towards sustainable practices, and they know that this is a serious deal, it is it is quite attractive to the set of customers too.